How to connect Google Analytics to Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google Analytics to your Hostinger Website Builder and how you can count or start setting up the analytics, or let's say here the traffic, or measure the traffic or the traffic flow of your visitors into your specific GA4, or which is going to be called analytics. So the process is going to be very simple. You're going to need an account within Google Analytics, and also you're going to need a measurement ID. So how you can get this measurement ID? Basically, you're going to head over the admin on your Google Analytics, click on Create. Then, if you have an account, create a property. And that property is going to have a name. Also, you're going to put your business details, the business objectives, and also data collection, what data you're going to specify. After you have set up all the specificities or the specificities in here, you're going basically to have a measurement ID. You're going to find it only in your homepage, which is going to be this. So now back to Hostinger, we're going to head over the websites, click on websites list, and then we're going basically to see all the websites that we have. Now we're going to choose one of the websites that has the logo of the Hostinger website builder, such as this one. Click on edit website, and then you're going basically to wait for the editor to show up. Now, as you can see, we have here the editor. What we're going to do is to head over the left side of the screen. Now, we are going to head over the three vertical or horizontal dots, which means the more settings. Click on here on the integrations, and you're going to see the list of the integrations that are possible to add. We have WhatsApp, custom codes, Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and etc. Click on Google Analytics, and you're going to add the ID, which is going to be basically the analytics or the measurement ID. We're going to paste it in here. Click on save. Do not forget to update your website and wait for the website to be set up. Once it is going to be saved and everything is okay, it is, or it will mean that everything is okay. So each one of the events that is going to be occurring on your website will be appear in here as an event. So you are going to see the active users, the event count, the new users, the source of the traffic, and etc. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.